Hello, welcome to Benbassat Illustration. Today I'm going to explain to you how I developed this art through Domestika course by Julie, Fantasy Illustration for Children. I'm taking a course at Domestika, so I hope you can see. It's a whole course by Julie. I'm not going to read full. Yeah, let me get my sketchbook. So she teaches to learn from the objects. These are the objects, and there was sellotape also. I made some things like a crab and something like that, and one was this and this acorn. Yeah, I made characters like that. Let's draw a girl in Wonderland. That was my first concept, but that didn't happen. So I developed a drawing like this. Yeah, and I scanned that. Perfect. Let's start drawing. And I did line drawing. She in her class she encouraged to do drawing on the paper, but I am very patient, so I didn't do. So I lined at it, and something was missing. I'm like, I do like that, the bird. I do like the character, the girl. I do like this, that I don't know what to call this thing from this plant. And I do like the tree, but I don't like the pond. I don't like the stone, and I didn't like entire concept. So I thought, okay, let's not do that, and let us draw a new concept. So I developed a new concept, or I like some tree, some story. So I redraw that plant. So something I liked about that plant was this part, and top part was like very, very common. If you see, like, there's nothing special in it. So I'm like, no, I don't want that. And so I draw a tree like this, and there's like a palace or something behind. So the concept was, there is whole way down. I cannot see all the way down, and there is plants on this side, and that thing coming through. It's like a cloud. It's a cloud. When it comes, it's like a cloud coming with a cloud. But no, I'm like, yeah. So there are more birds inside these clouds, you can see. And also I'm like, the girl who bring all these creatures back to their home. They were lost, and she's bringing them back to their place, their house, or the palace, whatever it is. So, and you can see these creatures are very happy. They're climbing up, they're running up through that thing, to the tree thing, to their house. So that's the new story. So now I like it. I feel like, yeah, there is something to draw. I'm like, yeah, there is a story to draw. So now maybe I should develop it, And then as I was drawing, I'm like, it's so small, there's nothing. I want to do it like a big storyboard. So easy. That is the story. That was the concept. I wanted to do a big board, big A4 size, or like a horizontal layout drawing. And I did this drawing like this in the first, and then again I didn't like it. I didn't like the building. I didn't like that palace. I didn't like the top, the leaf of the tree. I didn't like many of that. Only things I liked was the creature, the girl, the wood, or the tree without the leaf, and the cloud and the bird. That was the only thing I liked. So I decided to change it again. here we are with a new concept. I have to tell you, I did a lot of experiments around this, and also especially and also the coloring. I did so many experiments. I didn't show any of those over here. It took me months to come to this point and to finalize this project, and I would really recommend you guys to take this course by her. I didn't explore anything what she said here, but by taking her course, one thing that was able to cover for me was art block. No more art blocks. If whenever I feel that there is nothing I have that urge to draw, but there is nothing is coming into my mind to draw, I just look around and draw. It's like completely she solved the problem of art block. And I actually took this illustration for children, but because it's illustration for children, fantasy illustration for children, but after taking this course, it's like, yeah, it can be used for any type of illustrations, and it is really, really helpful. You should take that course. I highly recommend that. I will link that video, or link that course link in the description box, so you can definitely take up the course. And I have uploaded this project on her course, so you can see over there. And please share your opinion on this fantasy illustrations. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for all the wonderful support. And if you do enjoy this kind of video, or watching any character development for the future, let me know. And if you do want to see like that, let me know. And also please subscribe to my channel. It would give a lot of support for me to bring out a lot of contents for you guys as well. And if you do join the channel, thank you so much, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.